Hello everyone. Today we are going to deal with part 1 of different pattern transferring method, and our first part is freehand drawing. So we need a fabric fixed on hook drum tight, a pro circle, a ruler and a heat erasable pen or water soluble marker pens. And one thing you have to be very careful about freehand drawing is that you must use heat erasable pens or water soluble marker pens so that you can easily remove the stains if something goes wrong. And always practice drawing small patterns. And I am going to do a flower pot today. So we will start by drawing a straight line somewhere in the middle of the hoop to make the outline of the pot. And now we will go to draw a slanting line at both the edge of the first line and connect it so that we get our pot ready. And that's all about making a pot. Now we will move on to draw some circles to make the flowers. And draw some lines down from the circles to form the stems and draw a few leaves on the side of the stem. And I am planning to do woven roses, so I will draw few spikes on the circle that we have drawn. And we draw some leaves on the sides of the stem to look more beautiful. And we will be adding few French knots and between the leaves to look more colorful. And that's it. And ta-da! We have easily drawn a pattern directly onto the fabric. It's that simple. Stay tuned for the next method. Bye bye.